Well, we have been busy. We've been making lots of projects using this Pop of Paradise. 5 projects we've done, and this final one is going to use this. It's going to use the hello, and it's going to use the pineapple at the bottom. So I'm going with some inspiration from the scrap box. I'm using a piece of fairy vanilla, and I'm going to use this really old, look, it's that old script from which I had last year, to give me some inspiration on that. And then I'm going to go with Peekaboo Peach, because that's what this is, and I'm going to stamp up, ink up the pineapple itself. Right, so the card base itself then I'm going to use this for. So that's going to be 6, and it's going to be folded. And it's just going to be folded that way, and so that's 6 by 4 and a bit. So this background then can be 5 3/4 by 3 7/8. Should be big enough. No, pretty. That's pretty on its own. Okay, and then we're going to use this Peekaboo Peach, which is what inspired it in the first place. I'm going to use that sort of down. I don't want to use it just down the middle. Across the inside. I think I might use it across the middle like that. So I'm going to do it at, it's sort of 1.5, I think. It's a bit raggy on the edges, so I'm just going to do it 1.5, and then I'm just going to trim these edges off. So it's 1.5 by 5. I'm going to use my little corner rounder. I'm going to use it for everything that I'm putting on the card, because I like that consistency. I'll do it for the card itself. So there's the and then a bit of that, and then we need to do the sentiment, which is this one. We'll do that in green. Hello, a feeling that I should stick. I really don't want to stick a big pink flamingo on it, but I'm just like, I can't help it. I want to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to pop a big leaf on instead. I'm going to, oh, I don't know, you know. Should I use that side? It's got similar colours in. I'm going to use that side. dimensionals. Stick that there, and then I'm just going to pop this on. Dimensionals as well. And there we have it. And I'm not sure that that background's the best, but it's not the worst either. If you want to fill things in, I'm not going to bother, but if you wanted to fill things in, you could either use a stamping platform to avoid it happening, or you could just go over that with a marker or some ink. Okay, and I quite like that. I think that's nice and fresh. Some different colours from me. So they're my projects, all using the same stamp set, and I think they're quite pretty and quite different. I've got 6 different projects. So yeah, I think they're lovely. So we'll see if we can salvage